In Moya Moya, our role is primarily to carefully document the progression of the disease and the response to treatment. What we think of typically as stroke involves an acute event involving a main underlying blood vessel that is usually inherently normal, unlike the case in Moya Moya. So that may involve a clot from some other part of the body, such as the heart, which is often the case in pediatric patients, where a clot forms in the heart and then flies up into one of the blood vessels in the brain and lodges in that blood vessel and prevents adequate blood flow from getting to the target area. There has been for about 10 years now, a very active field, subfield within neurointerventional radiology of treating acute stroke by putting microcatheters into the clot, assuming that the patient arrives quickly, and trying to break the clot down or extract it using various mechanical means that we have. There has not really been a parallel growth yet on the pediatric side for how to intervene on the pediatric side, and that's something we're very interested in. The particular options that are open depend a little bit on how quickly the patient comes in, because the risk with any stroke is that what starts out as a lack of blood flow to the brain can turn into a bleed in the brain. So that if blood flow is stopped for long enough, if you then reestablish the full force of blood flow with normal arterial pressure, there's a fairly high risk of the brain bleeding into that spot, which can be absolutely life-threatening. So the challenge in treating stroke acutely is to get the vessel open as quickly as possible, but not with undue risk of converting what was a blockage of blood flow into a bleed in the brain. And the question of which of the various procedures we have for stroke will be safe on the pediatric side is very much an open question. We are setting up an acute stroke treatment program here at Children's, and the idea will be to tailor the treatment for every individual patient. So for example, we know that on the adult side, if patients come in relatively quickly, it's safe to give them intravenous TPA, which is the clot-busting medication, which is administered intravenously, fairly non-invasively. It travels to all the blood in the whole body and works to break down clots. And if that's given early enough after a stroke, that can open up the blood vessel. However, if that's not effective and the patient has still shown up within the first few hours, we would then proceed to the next level, which would be an intra-arterial approach, where we put a smaller catheter through that first catheter I described with the diagnostic angiogram, actually go into the clot and either do things like inject TPA, very small amounts, but directly into the clot to try to break it up, or we can try to extract the clot with various specialized devices that have been designed to pull them out. But all that is predicated on the patient getting to us very quickly.